are leaving Bangkok today for 2 weeks in Phuket. All right, here we go. We got the crew together. This is quite the entourage. All right, we're just getting tied up. This is the Northern Sun. 167-foot yacht, just kind of out in the middle of nowhere. All right, what an adventure that was. We anchored for the night and we took out the tenders to go explore some of the islands that are around here. We went to like some little lagoon that is inside one of the islands and went for a little dip. Watch out for that montage. I think it's gonna happen right. We're back on the boat right now. It's getting a little bit dark. We are getting ready for dinner. I think everybody's hanging out upstairs in the hot tub right now. Let's go take a look. Beautiful out here. I actually don't know how to go upstairs. Yep. I'll walk around, try to figure out how to get onto the upper deck. How do I get up there? Like, I walked around the other side of the ship already. I'm like, how?
I'm not gonna tell you. Keep going.
Oh, okay. I see.
Keep going.
I haven't been down to. I haven't been down to.
Keep going.
All right, we're going up to the hot tub.
Hot tub time machine.
Stop! I want to be
The rookie. That's right. Say rookie. That means.
Hey guys.
Oh, Ken. Yes. Is that dirty?
Hot tub.
Sounds great. Yeah.
All right. It has been a long day of traveling. We got all the way here to Phuket, and then we had to get on this boat. We are done for the night. Peace.
The next day.
What is going on, guys? It is the first full day here aboard the Northern Sun, the ship that we are staying on for the next week here in Phuket. I've spent like literally the last week, actually 2 weeks, before we left Vegas and last week in Bangkok, and like the last 2 days trying to get my Mavic to fly, because during the COVID pandemic I had the batteries in storage and they pretty much died. One of my batteries is completely dead, and the one that I do have that kind of works is giving me a battery error. But I finally did get to fly this morning. So hopefully I'll be able to get some great aerials of this stuff and the ship sometime today. Alright, so it's time for... Oh, hey you. It's time for our daily excursion.
Hello.
We are going to take some, what are they, canoes or kayaks?
Canoes, kayaks, whatever.
Where does school fish go?
I think I'll drink a beer. Afternoon beer run. Have a charm. Go around power. Right off the strand. There we go. We're coming in hot. We're coming in hot. Thank you. Little afternoon beer on the kayak. All right, just got back from kayaking around the islands that we're anchored at. Gonna go get cleaned up, get ready for lunch, and then we're gonna start motoring to the next anchor spot, and we'll see what kind of adventures we can find over there. Our place setting is folded into a shirt. It's our lunch spread. We got Thai style fried chicken, the pie salad, sauteed morning glory. We're passing the PP Islands right now. Not this time. Maybe next time. We've got other things on the itinerary than to be anchoring here. We've been steaming along for I think almost 4 hours now, and yeah, there's a whole bunch of nothing to look at. So you know what we're doing in the meantime? Our favorite thing in the world. Drink Jameson. Alright, so not very eventful day today, because like we did the whole kayaking thing earlier, and then we cruised for 5-7 hours. Now we're here for dinner, and then